Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
So,
Good morning, ma'am.
know the portion of tomorrow's test, the fun they had. And you are going to get the question paper on snap work. Now you will not get the question paper on your class WhatsApp group. You'll get it on the snap works. And you can solve it and send it. Okay. So first we will just do some MCQ questions from the fun they had. Portion for tomorrow's test. Okay. Don't answer together, only when I point out you answer. So Tommy walked away with the dash book beneath his arm. What kind of a book it was? Akansha Kumari Naini. Akansha. Okay, Ashish Raj. Ashish, you raise your hand. What is the answer? Ashish?
Ma'am, Dusty.
Yes. Okay, very good. Dusty. What happened? Connect nahi hua. Connect nahi hai ye.
Ma'am,
Wait, yes. Dusty is the correct answer. Okay. Then can you see the screen?
yes, ma'am.
Yes, Dusty is the correct answer. Then second question. Question 2. According to Margie, in an older time, the schools were big.
Ma'am, may I?
Akansha. Okay. Yes, Akansha.
Ma'am, funny.
Okay. Yes. Okay. Yes. Then whose father knew as much as a teacher? Tommy, Margie, Blair, Evelyn.
Welcome to Urto Wireless Speaker.
Vishakha, you want to answer? Vishakha? Okay, Srija?
Tommy.
Yes, ma'am.
Tommy.
I called your name, you did not respond. So, Tommy.
Mom,
Okay.
Tommy.
How many subjects are mentioned in the chapter?
Ma'am, 3.
Geography
Can I?
or
Ma'am,
Ma'am,
mathematics?
3
Geography, History, and
subjects.
Arithmetic.
Can see?
Yes. 3 subjects are mentioned in this chapter. Question 5. Why would anyone write about school? Who said this? Tommy, Margie, Mrs. Jones, Blair. Why would
Ma'am, can
anyone?
I answer?
Yes, answer.
Margie.
Ma'am, Margie.
Yes, Margie said. When Tommy told Margie that the old book is about school, then Margie said that school is such a boring thing. For Margie, school was very boring. She had to study all alone from the robotic teacher. So she felt that school was a very boring place. तो मार्गी ने सोचा कि किताब भी है तो इतना बोरिंग चीज स्कूल के बारे में व्हाई वुड एनीवन राइट अबाउट स्कूल सो दिस सेंटेंस वाज सेड बाय मार्गी okay Margie was disappointed because they took away who will answer wait those who haven't answered uh,
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, can I?
Ma'am, they didn't take away the mechanical
Okay,
teacher.
Harshvardhan answer. Harshvardhan.
Ma'am, they didn't take away the mechanical teacher.
Yes, Margie was disappointed because they didn't take away the mechanical teacher. Margie hoped that they would take a teacher.
They didn't take
Gadbadi aa
away the
gayi.
mechanical teacher.
Yes, so Margie started hoping that they would take away the mechanical teacher, but the county inspector repaired it. County inspector, he took the teacher apart and then again repaired. Okay, question 7. Margie had to write out her homework in, don't answer
Ma'am,
together.
punch code.
None of these.
Ruko,
Ma'am, any punch code.
Ma'am, punch code. ma'am.
Anurag, you want to answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, the answer is in punch code.
Yes, very good, Anurag. Yes, answer in punch code. Okay. After fixing after fixing the mechanical teacher, the big screen displayed Margie's face, all the lessons and questions asked, the real book, none of the above.
Ma'am, none of the above maybe.
None of the above.
Yes, ma'am.
None of the above.
Ma'am, all the lessons and questions asked.
ये हाँ डिस्प्ले तो हुआ था जब टीचर ठीक हो गया तो लेसन्स डिस्प्ले ऑल द लेसन्स एंड क्वेश्चंस आस्क्ड after the teacher was repaired it started displaying the lessons. Okay, so the county inspector had only 2 hands are up. What about others?
Ma'am, second, ma'am, tools with dials and wires.
Surbhi Kumari.
Tools with dials and
Okay,
wires.
Surbhi, you answer. Surbhi. Surbhi. Surbhi, your hand was up.
Dials and wires.
Yes. Tools with dials and wires. Okay. Then, why did Margie hate school now more than ever?
Ma'am, because
Ma'am, can I?
because of the score in
Anurag,
geography.
एक
because
साथ
what
नहीं
is
दो
what?
wait.
It's worse and worse in them.
Ma'am,
Can I?
Because of her
Okay, Vishakha answer.
scores in geography,
Vishakha?
which gets worse and worse.
Vishakha.
Ma'am, can I?
Option B.
Surbhi.
Because of her scores in geography, which gets
Okay,
worse
Vijay,
and
Because
worse.
of
Ruko,
her
Vijay,
scores in
wait.
geography, which gets worse and worse.
Because her scores in geography was getting worse and worse. Because her scores in geography, which gets worse and worse. Okay. Margie was scornful. What is the meaning of scornful? I told you while teaching the lesson.
Ma'am, contemptuous. Ma'am,
Contemptuous.
showing that something is worthless.
Yes, showing that something is worthless. Dislike for something. Dislike in simple words if you say. Okay, Margie was scornful about her geography scores. Wait. You can answer the 11th question. Oh, Anurag Roy. Anurag, you have raised your hand. Anurag.
Ma'am, about her geography score.
Okay, Margie was scornful about her geography scores. Yes, very good. Margie was
Choose
scornful
mode.
about her geography scores. Okay. Question 12. According to Tommy, the real book was Wait, let me
A
see the
waste.
hand.
Ma'am, can
रुको,
I?
रुको,
A waste. According to Tommy, the
A
real
waste.
book was a waste.
A waste.
Ayush Singh.
Waste.
Ayush Singh. Can you hear? Ayush Singh.
Yes, ma'am.
You raised your hand. Answer the question number 12.
Yes, ma'am. According to Tommy, the real book was a waste.
Yes, very good. The real book was a waste. What Tommy thought that once a person reads a book, it is just thrown away. So he thought it was a waste. Okay, question 13. The kids in the old schooling pattern. Question 13. Raise your hand for question 13. Ashish. Anurag. Aryan Kumar 9B. Aryan. Aryan Kumar, can you? Aryan,
Yes, ma'am.
answer. Question 13. Screen is visible.
Yes, ma'am.
The kids in the school, old schooling pattern, went home together in between classes, during afternoon breaks, during festivals, at the end of the day.
In between classes.
At the end of the
Class के
day
बीच-
होगा.
हाँ?
At the end of the day.
क्लास के बीच कैसे घर चले जाएंगे? At the end of the day. Okay. Question 14. While inserting her homework in the proper slot, Margie was thinking about deserts, vacation in Turkey, old schools, Tommy.
Ma'am, old schools.
Old schools. Old schools.
Okay, Pooja Kumari. Pooja,
Yes, ma'am.
answer the
Yes, ma'am.
answer the 14th question. Yes, old schools. Old schools. While inserting,
Old schools.
yes, okay, I heard your voice. Okay, while inserting her homework in the proper slot, Margie was thinking about old schools. Yes, your answer is correct. What did the teacher in the real book do? What did the teacher in the real book do? Teachers through
Ma'am,
computer.
taught and gave questions in person.
Yes,
Taught and gave questions in person.
yes, yes. Correct answer. Taught and gave questions in person. Why did Margie find the old school interesting?
Ma'am, because of the fun.
Big.
Ma'am, all hai,
All
ma'am.
of the above.
Ma'am, all.
Ma'am,
All.
all of the above hai, ma'am.
All the above.
Harshvardhan, what is the answer?
Ma'am, all of the above, ma'am. D.
Yes.
Ma'am,
Yes.
because all the factors.
Yes, all of the above. Because of the fun, because of the human teachers, because of the many friends. So the answer
Yes,
is
ma'am.
all of the above. Yes. What was the difference between old schools and modern schools? Read all the options and 3 hands are up. Anurag Roy. Okay, Anurag, answer. Anurag. Anurag, you
Ma'am,
have
old schools had
Ma'am.
human teachers and modern schools had robots.
Ma'am, all of the above. Ma'am, all hoga.
Ma'am, all of the above.
Yes, ma'am.
All
Ma'am,
होगा.
क्योंकि
What was the difference between old schools and modern schools? So let us read the option. Old schools had many friends and modern school had no fellows. हाँ, ये तो सही है. ओल्ड स्कूल्स में बहुत दोस्त होते थे बच्चों के. फिर ओल्ड स्कूल्स हैड ह्यूमन टीचर्स, ये भी सही है. ओल्ड स्कूल्स हैड प्लेग्राउंड्स, had only computers. So all. So this is the correct answer, the fourth option. Fourth option is the correct. Okay. Okay. How much time was taken to repair Tommy's teacher?
Ma'am, may I answer?
Ma'am, 1 month.
Ma'am, 1 month. 1 month.
1 month.
Who will answer? Wait. Suhani? Suhani said,
Ma'am, 1 month.
yes, 1 month. So Margie was hoping the same for her teacher. Margie को याद था कि टॉमी के का टीचर के साथ कुछ खराबी आ गई थी, तो 1 महीने के लिए उसको पढ़ाई से छुट्टी मिल गई. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
So she was hoping the same for herself also. Just as Tommy had got relief. Just as Tommy had got relief from his old teacher for 1 month, she thought the same, but that did not happen. Okay, what did the county inspector do to help Margie? 3 participants raised: Anurag, Janvi, Srija. Okay.
Ma'am, he raised the teacher to Margie's level.
Okay, Srija.
He
Reset
reset
the teacher to Margie's level.
the teachers to Margie's level.
Yes.
He reset the teacher to Mark.
Yes, he reset the teacher to Margie's level. The fault with the robotic teacher was that he was teaching very fast. He was teaching at a higher level. That is why Margie was not able to understand, and her marks in geography was getting bad to worse. And the county inspector reset it in such a way that a young girl could understand it. Yes. Okay. Why did Margie's mother call the county inspector? ये तो बहुत simple है, सबको आना चाहिए. आयुष
Ma'am,
कोई नया
Hello.
हाथ नहीं.
Ma'am, can I?
I want new
Ma'am, can I?
students to answer the same hand.
Ma'am, can I?
Wait, same hands are up again and again. Aditi Kumari Naini. Aditi, can you hear me? Aditi Naini. Aditi.
ma'am.
Aditi.
Ma'am, can I?
पूजा. अच्छा, विकास कुमार दुबे एक नया हाथ उठा है. चलो बताओ विकास, आंसर.
Ma'am, option D. Option D.
To check the fault. Yes, Vikas, your answer is correct. Okay, why did Margie's mother call the county inspector to check the fault in Margie's teacher in the geography section? Okay, yes. Who was the regular teacher who taught the lessons?
Ma'am,
Mechanical teacher who teaches Margie and Tommy.
Akansha Kumari? Naini?
Yes, ma'am.
Answer. Question number 21. Can you see the screen? Question number 21. Who is the regular teacher who taught the lessons?
Ma'am, computer teacher.
Computer teacher. Any?
Ma'am, mechanical
Read all
robot
the
teacher.
No, ma'am.
Akansha, you read all the options once again.
Human teacher, computer teacher who teaches, mechanical robot teacher to teach Margie and ma'am, last वाला होगा mechanical robot teacher.
So in MCQ, you have to read all the options carefully. Don't be very hasty. जल्दबाजी नहीं करना. Okay. Where did Tommy and Margie read various books? This is also very easy. All of you must be knowing.
Ma'am, on computer screen. Ma'am,
On a computer screen. Ma'am,
Ma'am,
on a computer screen.
Aryan Kumar. Aryan, can you hear me? Aryan?
Yes, ma'am.
Yeah. Where did Tommy and Margie read various books? Read the options and tell me the answer.
On a computer screen.
Okay. On a computer screen, yes. Okay, very good. Then question 23. Where was Margie's school? This is also very simple.
Yes, ma'am.
Ayush, Abhishek Kumar. Abhishek Kumar.
In a room in her house where a computer was set up.
In a room in her house where a computer was set up. Yes.
मैम लेकिन अगर मैम इसमें क्वेश्चन पूछेगा तो इसमें वो भी तो लिख सकते हैं मैम कि मार्गरेट स्कूल वाज लोकेटेड नेक्स्ट टू हर बेडरूम.
हाँ तो बेडरूम नहीं दिया हुआ. इन अ रूम इन हर हाउस. बेडरूम इज नॉट मेंशन. ये सब ऑप्शन में जो सबसे सही है वो चूज करोगे ऐसे. और अगर ऑप्शन नहीं दिया तो देन यू कैन राइट दैट इट वाज इन हर बेडरूम. Okay. Who was teaching the students in the modern era? Teacher, parents, computer, mechanical, robot teachers. Let me see how many hands. Samriddhi Singh. Okay, new hand. Samriddhi, answer.
Ma'am, computer.
फिर से पढ़ो सारा ऑप्शन.
A mechanical robot teacher.
Samriddhi, read options again and answer.
Ma'am, options are a teacher, a parents, computer, or a mechanical robot.
So what is the
Teacher.
correct answer now? Tell me.
Ma'am, the mechanical robot teacher.
Mechanical robot teacher is the correct answer. Mechanical robot teacher. Okay. Where did Tommy find the book?
In his house.
In his house.
In his house.
In his house. In the book it is mentioned in the attic. Attic mention hai, but here that option is not there, so in his house only. How old is Tommy? 10 years, 13 years, 15 years, 12 years.
Ma'am, 13 years.
13 years.
Ashish Raj, how old is Tommy? What happened, Ashish? You have raised your hand. Okay, maybe you are not able to hear. Okay, Srija.
Ma'am, 13 years old.
13 years. Who is the author of this lesson?
Isaac Asimov.
Isaac Asimov.
Isaac Asimov. So you learn the word meanings also for tomorrow's test. Okay. How old is Margie?
I'm 11 years old.
Ma'am, 11 years old.
11 या 10 था.
Ma'am, 11 था ma'am.
11 था. मैं ही कर.
Yes ma'am.
11 and 13. What is a debate? General question है. What is a debate? A contest to show ability in argument between two people. Contest to fight. Contest to prove better none.
Option A.
A contest to show ability in argument between two people.
Ability in argument between two people.
Okay. What is virtual reality?
Reality
C.
created by
computer software.
Yeah. Reality created by computer software. Okay. The mic unmute है. Okay, so we have revised for tomorrow's test. Of course, subjective questions you have to answer by yourself after reading the chapter. 10 minutes, 12 minutes is left. Chalo, tense ka kuch revise kar lo. So all of you have written the structure of all the tenses in your copy?
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Okay, so we will just revise the past was complete, so future was left. So simple future, what is the structure of simple future? Subject plus shall will plus v1 plus object. So like usually in formal English you use shall. Formal English you use shall with I and we. But now this rule has become flexible. Now we use shall and will for all the persons. Okay, so so subject plus shall or will plus v1 plus object. I'll go to Delhi. So you can also write I shall go to Delhi. Both now is correct. Earlier that there was fixed rule in grammar, now it has been relaxed. So subject plus shall or will, any of the two plus v1. So in this there is no option of v5. ये मॉडल के साथ हमेशा जो है शैल विल के साथ हमेशा v1 ही यूज करना है. Then again negative is very easy, just you have to add not in this shall or will plus subject plus v1 plus object. Will he go to Delhi? Okay. Then interrogative is very easy, you just have to change the order. Isko this you have to bring here and this you have to shift here, and of course remove the negative. So making interrogative is also easy. First the helping verb, first the auxiliary verb, and then the subject. So and what is the use? It is used to express an action that will occur in future. Used to express an action that will occur in future. I shall play a match tomorrow. ये future में ये action होगा. Then future continuous. In future continuous, what you use? Subject plus shall or will plus be plus verb plus ing. Example is I shall be reading a book. Shall or will plus be plus ing. Of course, in all the continuous tense, you use the ing form. Continuous means ing. It is also called progressive. So future continuous is also called future progressive. Subject plus shall will plus not plus be plus verb. So negative, making negative is very easy. Shall not be reading a book. Then again interrogative, just change the word order. Shall you be reading a book? An action is thought to be happening at some time in future. Happening or continuing. फ्यूचर के कोई टाइम में वो एक्शन हो रहा होगा. So means some action will be continuing at some time. Continuing at some time in future. Like I will be watching a movie tomorrow at 6 p.m. फ्यूचर के इस टाइम पे ये हो रहा होगा. नाउ फ्यूचर परफेक्ट. So like in all the perfect tense, you use has, have, or had. So here in future perfect, you use shall, will plus have plus V3 plus by plus time expression. So here in this also, जैसे कि present perfect continuous में हमने क्या देखा था कि since for लगाना जरूरी होता है. Without that, sentence is not complete. I have been reading. Sentence is incomplete. I have been reading for 2 hours. So you have to use since or for. Similarly, in future perfect, you have to use this by plus time. Otherwise, the sentence will not be complete. Because what is the use of the future perfect? फ्यूचर परफेक्ट मतलब फ्यूचर के इस टाइम तक ये काम हो चुका होगा. So if you don't mention the time, then the sentence will not be complete. I will have done my work. So I will have done my work. The sentence is not complete unless you mention the time. I shall have completed my project. I shall have completed my project. Only if you give the time, the sentence will be complete. कब तक project हो चुका होगा. So future perfect, you have to use by plus time expression. जैसे present perfect continuous में since या for plus time लगता है, तो future perfect you use by plus time. By evening, so by means what? By means the latest time. You should submit your homework by tomorrow. तो इसका मतलब क्या हुआ कि कल तक वो हो जाना चाहिए. So by is also used. By is here used to express the latest time by which something should be done. Of course, by का दूसरा use भी होता है. I came by car. But here it is used for time, expressing time. Latest time by which something should be complete. So you use shall, will, and you use have. And if you use have, then which form of the verb you will use?
Third form.
Yes, this you have to remember. With has, have, and had, always the past participle. V3 is also the past participle. I shall have did my work. अगर यहाँ हम done के जगह did लिखें तो क्या हमारा sentence सही है? I shall have did my work. Is it correct?
No, ma'am.
No. So this you have to remember that with has, have, and had, always you have to use the third form, the past perfect. ये past participle, sorry. I shall have done my work by evening. So in the future perfect, you have to use the word by plus time expression. Then only your sentence will be complete. So making negative is very easy. You have to use not after shall or will. Then making the interrogative also is easy. Shall I have done my work by? So by means the latest time. The future perfect tense is used to express an action which will be done by a certain time in future. Future के एक टाइम तक ये complete हो चुका होगा. जैसे the building will have been constructed by the end of 2021. तो 2021 तक ये बिल्डिंग कंप्लीट हो चुका होगा. The future perfect continuous. Now future perfect continuous, there is no practical use of this tense, so it has been deleted. Of course in some of the books you have to, it's not much in use, you don't have to. ऐसे इसका स्ट्रक्चर है फ्यूचर परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूअस का सब्जेक्ट प्लस shall will plus have plus been plus verb plus ing plus time. I shall have been, I shall have been watching movie at 7 p.m. So you can see the sentence. Now these kind of sentences are not much used, so that is why there is no need to bother about it. Okay, so okay, so 1 minute 2 minute is left, we can do some so, I like ice cream. How will you change it to interrogative and negative? Who can answer?
I can answer.
Okay, Srija, answer.
Do I like ice cream? This will be in the interrogative form, and I do not like ice cream. It will be the negative form.
Do I like ice cream? So this is the interrogative form. I, and I do not. So because I is there, you have to use the word don't. Ayush, can you change this to interrogative and negative?
Ma'am, can I?
Okay, Janvi, answer.
Does he goes for a walk every day? Interrogative.
Your sentence, Janvi.
He does not.
Repeat your intro.
Does he go? Yes, ma'am. Does he goes for a walk every day?
Does he go?
He does not go for a walk every day. He does not go for a walk every day. ये negative.
He does not go. ये negative है ना?
Yes, ma'am.
He does not
Yes,
go
ma'am.
for a walk every day. So this is negative, but here you told does he goes. यहाँ does he goes नहीं होगा. Does he go for a walk every day? ठीक है ना? Does के साथ भी V1 ही लगाएंगे. Does he go for a walk every day? Your negative was correct. Interrogative, you have to use the V1.